Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that is your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my July update to the Eyeshadow Roulette project pan. So if you'd like to see the progress that I've made on my single BYOP, then let's get right on into her. All the details will be in the description box, as well as what I'm wearing, all of that jazz. But this was created by Donna at My New Obsession, Leanna Dalton at Leanna Dalton, and Andy at Andy Does Stuff, where you randomize 10 shadows. I'm doing my magnetic, my compacts, and my shadow sticks, and you have to use them each 5 times before you can roll them out. Melissa Nadine joined in, and that inspired me to also join in. So all those lovely ladies will be listed down below. This is not a very exciting update, I will say. This is probably my worst update to date. And let me just make sure. Yes, we had all magnetic singles. We had no shadow stick single compacts, any of that in. And we only have one rollout. I was working on a lot of palettes, and I just was not reaching for these. I don't know if it's my color story or what, but I just don't find this color story as easy to reach for. So I'm close on one shade. So we could have maybe some rollouts for next update, but I have one rollout. But let's just get on into it. So starting from what has been in the very longest, and that is Pretties for Your Face Taffeta. This has been in for a couple months now. It is still sitting at 2 out of 5 uses. But I know I love this shade. I haven't been wearing pinks, to be honest. And I have a lot of pinks in this palette. So this is it's sitting at 2 out of 5 uses. But I know I love it. So she just needs to get some use. So 2 out of 5. Then we have Copacetic Cosmetics Foliage. This is the one I'm closest to next. And this I got 1 use in the last month, and it's sitting at 3 out of 5 uses. You can see that nice dip in the center there. This shifts pink as well. So we have that guy. Then we have the one that I hit goal on. So let me get out my highlighter of justice. And we have Copacetic Cosmetics Garden Picnic. So this is a green to gold flip. And I hope you can see the nice divot in the center of the sky from Copacetic. And I met my goal on the 30th of June. So right at the end, I think it was the next day after our last update. So that is our one rollout for this update. So let's just get through the rest of these so we can roll in our new one. We have ColourPop Stormtrooper, which is the silver I'm working on. I have a silver shadow stick that I'm trying to work on, so I haven't even touched this guy. No use. Then we have Give Me Glow Xenon, which it's like a blue purple that shifts like a rose gold. It's such a unique shade. I've used this once. I don't know if I like it. I feel like the shift is a little aggressive for me, but I've only used it once. I need to see how I feel about it. We have Give Me Glow Daydream, which again is a pink. Haven't touched it. Then we have Copacetic Santa Baby. It's a peachy pink that shifts gold. I've used this 1 time. Then we have ColourPop Gone Galactic, which is like a taupe rose gold. I've used this 1 time, and I don't know if I like that shade. So that one's gonna be a we'll see. We have Give Me Glow Coven Confessions, which is a blurple. Haven't used this at all. And then my last but not least, I have Give Me Glow Coconut Slushy, which is just like a nice gold, champagne-y gold. And I've used this one time. So not close on any of these guys. So let's see what we roll in for our one shadow. This is such a horrendous update, and I feel so bad about it, but it is what it is. We gotta be realistic, and not all updates are going to be good updates, and that is okay. So let's go to Eyeshadow Roulette. We have 72 options. I hope I get a magnetic single, because I kind of just want another magnetic single. ColourPop on, that is another silver. Honestly, I'm gonna veto that. We'll work on that on another time. I'm working on too many silver shadows to like triple or quadruple on top work on another silver. It's a beautiful shade, but I can't work on that right now. I'm sorry. Natasha Denona Outer Eyelid. That isn't a single compact. Let me see what it looks like. So that is also like a taupey silver. So we're gonna roll again. I'm so sorry. Oh, pretties for your face shade. That's Festive. I think that's like a green to purple reflect. Let me grab it. All right, so here's what Festive looks like. As you see, it is green, but when I'm looking at it, it's like a blurple. So let me give you a swatch. She's a little flaky, but it is a beautiful shade. Absolutely stunning. So I'm sorry we had to re-roll a couple times, but I just want to try to make this project a little successful, and me working on more taupey, gunmetal-y silver shades is not going to make it successful. So they will stay in the wheel because we can work on them at another date, but today is not that day. So let's get Festive in the palette. And now this is what we're working on. This is the new color story. Nothing too crazy. That is gonna do it for this update. I'm sorry that that was a little discouraging, a little underwhelming, but sometimes you have underwhelming months. It's gonna happen. Hopefully I can have at least 2 goals met on Foliage and Taffeta. That would be really nice to get those out. And I would like to have at least touched every other shade at least once by the next update. That would make me super happy. So that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.